Isa sa mga unang na-acquire namin na designer toys ay ito. These are from Quicks with a in collaboration with Daniel Yad, no? So we have two figures here. First is si Tech 63, and this one is Mariko. So bubuksan natin to, i-share namin sa iyo, maganda to. So you have the certificate of authenticity. Wow, ito yung figure. Ito si Tech. So it comes with the head of Tech 63. Tapos yung arm, yung signature na pose yung kay Danilia na laging may hawak. Tapos you have, at the back it says, Pilipinas Street Plan. I forgot, parang una naming nakita to 2021 pa in a show sa Mega Mall. And then meron siyang kasamang accessory na si Robo Dog. Ganda, grabe, no? Hanggang ngayon, kinikilig pa rin ako sa ganda nito. Yung una naming nakita, talagang wow. Napawaw talaga kami. This is the Mariko. Wow. So we place the helmet gently. Ayan. Ayan, sakto. Wow. Ganda, oh. Then on the sides, you have the details ng logo ni Quicks. And at the back, you have number 63. Tapos, what distinct with Mariko, it's yung right leg niya, robot na. And then yung other one, it's still the real leg, no? And like Tech here, na may Robo Dog, sa kanya naman, yung accessory niya is the cat. We have placed the cat, hawak-hawak na siya ni Mariko. So, ito yung display. Ayan yung dalawa. There go. Ang ganda, di ba? So here they are, side by side. You have Mariko here and you have Tech 63 here. Perfect pair talaga, di ba? So bakit na ba namin sinishare sa inyo to? Wala lang, na-appreciate lang talaga namin tong dalawang collaborated na figures na to. Yun lang.